What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of selling cryptocurrency using the Trust Wallet app. Trust Wallet is a secure multi-coin wallet that allows you to store, buy, and manage various cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Selling crypto in Trust Wallet is quick and straightforward, making it accessible even for beginners. Install the app on your mobile device, open the app, and either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Launch the app on your device, tap on the cryptocurrency you wish to sell from your wallet balance, for example, Ethereum. While we are in the Ethereum, tap More. After that, tap Sell. From here, enter the amount you want to sell and choose a payment method, like for example Ramp. From here, let's tap Receipt at the bottom of the screen. Now enter your email address because they will send a code to your inbox. Once sent, don't forget to check the box and tap Receipt. From here, enter the 6-digit code, which is you have to check your email and type it here. After typing your 6-digit code, enter your billing address like first name, last name, address, postal code, and city. After filling up the information, tap Save Billing Address. From here, tap Send with your wallet. Review the transaction before you tap Confirm, or else you will or the one you sent with will not receive it. After reviewing, tap Confirm at the bottom and the transaction will proceed. Selling cryptocurrency in Trust Wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following the steps, you can efficiently sell your crypto and manage your digital assets. For further engagement, consider exploring additional features of Trust Wallet, such as buying crypto or managing NFTs. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.